Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss the problem when we are opening the label img. So when we are going to annotate the image, they are automatically closed when we are doing the annotation bounding box for labeling. So our label img automatically close. So there are two kind of problem today in this video we will discuss. So the first problem is when you are running the pip install label img, once it is installed, then you are getting the problem like this one, and then our label img cannot open. After installation, when you are opening, it cannot be open, so you cannot open. After installation, when you are opening, it cannot be open, so you will face this problem. So when you are facing this problem, then you need to I will give you the link. You need to install this library, and once you install, then you run it again, it will be open. So and the second problem is when we are doing the annotation, so it cannot annotate it. When we draw the bounding box, the image label img automatically close. So you need to go to the main file, and then you need to find the line number 531, and the value is float, and we need integer, because always when we are doing bounding box, they are giving us the output file is integer. So you need to carefully change this line very carefully. I am repeating my words again very carefully. You need to write integer, and then close bracket, and then again close bracket, and then enter. Also enter here the integer. Follow these steps. also need go to 5 to 6 line. You also need to change here the line 5 to 6, the same as integer and close bracket, and then save your file and then run it again, label img, and then open your image, and then you can go for the annotation process. You can also find my previous video, so you will know how to annotate the images. So this is how you can solve your problem. And thank you very much for today watching the video, and please share and subscribe to my channel for more video. Thank you. See you in the next video.